In this episode of the PICO Drone Teardown series, we'll be talking about how you connect tools to the digital work instructions to create real-time validation of all the processes. In this drone instance, this mid-market drone, there was something like 4 dozen screws that needed to be captured. There was a half dozen different serial numbers and QR codes that had to be captured. And using the PICO system creates a real-time validation of have those screws been put in place correctly? Have you used the right serial number? As you're walking through the PICO system to create this drone build, whether it's a scaled up version where you have a much higher certification requirement or just a simpler process where you're doing a cheaper drone, what the whole purpose of the connected tools is to create a two-way communication with the operator so that they know on the spot whether they did the right part. The other piece that you'll see with the connected tools is kind of some more advanced quality assurance capability. In my instance of this drone, I just created a picture at various points so that once the drone is sealed up, I would know that I had placed all the wires in the correct spots. I had put all the screws in. But in an advanced environment, you could go out and connect to an overview AI camera, has AI capability, and that would actually scan the part and confirm back for me whether I had put all the screws in place and all the wires in place and do the number of checks on the spot. And with that, the PICO system, we're brand agnostic. The idea there is that the more robust your digital environment becomes, the more data you can capture, the quicker you can get that efficiency data, the quicker you can get that quality data on the process. And that was really advantageous for putting this drone together because I created my own work instructions. And so having the tools tell me whether I did the process right or not also helped me to go back and iterate on my work instructions at the same time. In our next episode of the PICO Drone Teardown series, we'll be talking about traceability and how you collect the data from the connected tools and interact that with the work instructions to create an environment for continuous improvement, create an environment for certification, and then also create an environment where you can understand your process builds instantly.